The UI is cropped to accommodate a live view of both the lender on the left and the borrower on the right. The borrower selects the offer and chooses the loan duration. The next step is for the borrower to provide a stablecoin address to receive the loan and a Bitcoin address to receive back the collateral once the contract is complete. Once the contract is accepted, both the lender and borrower must create a strong payment password in order to create a multisig address. It's important to note that the payment password is different from the account password and must be kept secure. After creating the payment password, the lender provides their stablecoin address to receive the loan repayment, and a Bitcoin address in case the borrower defaults on the loan. Next, both the lender and borrower confirm their payment passwords. After this, the borrower sends Bitcoin to the multisig address. The contract status will then change to depositing. You can expand the transaction information and check the mempool for the current status. This is what the full screen experience looks like when not cropped for the demo. After the transaction is confirmed, the lender will send the stablecoins directly to the borrower's address. In this example, we are using test coins on the Liquid network. It's important to note that if you are using the Liquid network, you must copy and paste an unblinded transaction link to verify the transaction. The borrower will check their wallet, and if the funds have arrived, they can click Confirm Payment Received. The borrower will then provide two-factor authentication and their payment password. The contract will move to the In Progress status and will stay there for the duration of the loan. The borrower can find the repayment details in the appropriate section and make a full or partial repayment at any time without extra fees. In this example, we'll make a full repayment of the loan. The borrower will copy and paste the unblinded link as proof of payment. The lender can check their wallet to ensure the full amount has been received, and then click Confirm Repayment Received. The contract status will change to Completed, and the only thing left is for the borrower to receive their collateral back. The borrower should confirm the action, double-check the Bitcoin address, and that's it. The Bitcoin is on its way to the borrower's wallet.